There's only 2 months left till Comic-Con. Fuck. Hey guys, it's Arlene here. So, this video was supposed to be about creating my Honey Lemon dress. If you don't know, Honey Lemon is from Big Hero 6. And I scoured so many stores, in person and online, and it was near impossible to find yellow fabric that was the right type of fabric, so it was nice and soft, just a little bit of stretch, and was the right shade of yellow for this character. Thankfully, I remembered from one of my inspirations for kind of doing more DIY stuff, Threadbanger, the YouTube channel, highly recommended. Corinne, actually, I remember that she made her own galaxy leggings, and in part of that video she shows herself actually creating her own fabric from this website called Spoonflower, hashtag not sponsored. So what I did is thankfully I'm quite proficient in the Adobe Creative Suite, so in Adobe Illustrator I designed my own pattern that emulated the pattern of Honey Lemon's dress. So if you Google Honey Lemon, you'll see a photo of her in her yellow dress, and it looks like it's plain yellow, but if you zoom in you can just faintly see that there is a light yellow flower / star pattern all over it, and I was actually able to recreate that. And then I just uploaded it to Spoonflower. Because I made the pattern myself, I didn't have to worry about infringing on anyone's copyrights to their own stuff. Always make sure that you have the rights to use someone else's artwork if you don't create your own. Don't just take it off of Google image search. 1 week later, I got my fabric. It came out so well. You probably can't see in this lighting. It's super rainy and dark outside. But there's a slight light yellow kind of star pattern that I created, and it's absolutely perfect just the way that I wanted it, and I have plenty here to make the dress. It's a very simple mod 70s 60s kind of vibe to it, so I will eventually show creating that dress. But I at least thought, this week show you guys, if you are having trouble finding just the right fabric you need, this is a great resource. It's spoonflower.com. They have a wide variety of different fabrics that you can print on. They have great shipping. They work with you. And what's another really nice thing is when you upload your own work, you can actually put on a setting for it to be known for public, so other people can purchase that pattern for their own fabric as well. And you do get a little bit of profit off of it if someone decides to use your artwork. So I think it's a really cool option. And sorry, I really don't have anything to show you guys. It's just, I can't believe Comic-Con's only 2 months away. I have so much more to do. I have all of Honey Lemon to do. I have to do the finishing touches on Starfire just to make sure that the fit is right. And it's almost here. It's almost here! So like, comment, subscribe, click that notification bell so you can see what is to come in 2 months seems like a long time. It's not. So you're going to be getting a lot of content from me in the next 8 weeks, just rushing, getting everything together, and you're going to see the overall looks that I'll be presenting at New York Comic Con from Friday to Sunday. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. See you later.